Hello and welcome to South Coast Level Crossings, and we are at Pontsarn Level Crossing on the South Wales main line between Cardiff and Bridgend. And it's very nice here. I think it must be most of St George's. We've got some nice scenery around, but anyway, we shall look at that later. We are now waiting for the Belmond British Pullman. It's a Cardiff. It'll be going via Fishguard Harbour, Cardiff Central to Fishguard Harbour and back. It's a special dining train. I have no idea what the train is being pulled by, so I suppose we shall see that later. And just want to give a quick shout out to ALS Videos, I think, who suggested this crossing. So yeah, he basically goes everywhere. He has videos at Pencoed, Porth, Cardiff, so yeah, let's go and say hello to him in his channel. Now let's hope we've got the timing spot on for the train, so I don't have to redo this introduction. So if we just have a look at the maps here on my mobile phone, yeah, it should be along any minute now. So remember, ALS Videos, I think. She'll put his video in the description, channel in the description. So anyway, I think it's on its way now. .7031 and a Northern Bale liveried 57 on the back, on their way to Fishguard Harbour. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Check out ALS Videos, and I shall see you in the next video. Goodbye.